Earn money online. The fundamentals on how to start earning money online. I believe most of us came here to search for methods to earn money online. So here I am, exposing ways to earn money online. Generate income online with Google Adsense. Google Adsense is the only way to make real money online. Google Adsense, frequently just Adsense, is an effective advertisement-serving program run by Google. Site owners can register in this program to make it possible for video, text and image advertisements on their sites. All you need to do is position some code on your site and ads will be displayed that pertain to the material on your website. These ads are administered by Google and produced profit on either a pay per click or per 1,000 impression basis. Make money online with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is amongst the best method to earn money online. An affiliate program on the internet is simply where a site is offering a product and they will pay you a commission on every sale you generate from the traffic you send them. All you have to do is send your visitors to another web page. Popular sites like ClickBank and CJs are satisfied to help you do affiliate marketing by discovering the best item. There are a general deal of methods to require to do affiliate marketing, so a great deal of ebooks are readily available online. Generate income online with Google Adwords. Google Adwords is another pay-per-click advertising company run by Google. You are making a revenue of $20. Earn money with online auctions. Generate income online with online auctions is amongst the 21st and 20th century most reliable, real and tested home businesses. Just buy low, offer high, and take the difference to supplement your income. Countless people offer on eBay or other online auctions websites as a full-time job and make well over 6 figures. Generate income with paid surveys. While not one of the most successful home-based businesses, paid services are simply as simple to do, and yes, you can make money online with them. You can make $4 or $5 a pop, which can accumulate, especially if you do a few paid studies each day in your spare time. Making money online freelancing. There is no such thing as a complimentary lunch. Neither exists a simple way to earn money, specifically from home. To make yourself employable, you require to ensure that you have actually the needed capabilities as well as good marketing and social abilities. A sound portfolio for aspiring writers, editors, photographers, designers, etc. is a must. Today, several private businesses and MINCs are employing individuals who prefer working out of their homes. A host of opportunities exist for housework in locations as varied as telemarketing, selling insurance coverage, information entry, typing, data conversions, copywriting, accounting, composing, sociologist and journalist writing, editing and evidence reading, web design, content development, internet-based research for companies, graphic designs and desktop publishing, audio, video and showing, modifying, translation work, etc. is available with a little bit of innovation skills, typing and data processing abilities, being PC literate. Entrepreneurs can utilize the around the world web to start businesses and work from the convenience of their homes. Prior to you entering into the homework groove, make sure you have the requisite certification, hardware and time management abilities to encourage prospective employers that you are the ideal person for the task. There are a great deal of ways to generate income online, so you do not require to limit yourself with simply one method. Check out more ways that you can earn money online. Google Adsense is the only method to make real money online. Affiliate marketing is one of the finest methods to make cash online. Make money online with online auctions is one of the 21st to 20th century's most trustworthy, true and checked house organizations, as I've said. Millions of individuals sell on eBay or other online auction websites as a full-time job and make well over six figures. Neither is there any easy way to make money specifically from home. I hope some of this has given you some insights into a bit of working from home. Go through it again, study it a bit more. When you've done that, before you start anything, do research. Use YouTube and Google for your research. Google, put the name of your company you want to join or what you want to do, and they'll come up with pages of stuff for you. YouTube, put how to start a home business, how to make money online, similar to that, and they'll come up with YouTube videos usually showing you how to do it. Also, I have a YouTube channel with over 280 how to make money videos that could help you somewhere amongst the different videos I've made. You could find the one you want. If you go to YouTube at IanJackson1366, YouTube at IanJackson1366, you'll find them halfway down the page, so you won't see them straight away when you put it in, but they're partway down the page. There are plenty for you to pick from. Also, underneath my video there is a like button, probably like something like this, or like that, or like that. Oh, I have another hand. If you click on the like button, it will help me with YouTube. If you press subscribe, it will also help me with YouTube. Up the top there's a bell. Click on that bell, press all. You'll get informed when I put another video up. So this is Ian Jackson also saying, under my video I have put links. They're all links to programs I've joined, tools I've purchased. I don't own any of the programs at all. I am affiliated to everything that's underneath the video. So if you click on a link, go to where you're looking at, decide you want to purchase or join the programs, I get a small commission. This is how we work on the internet. Commission is key. So, as I've said, thank you for being here. Do your research. Press the bell and click the like. Just for me. Hope to see you again. See Ian Jackson saying cheerio for now, and all the very best in your online venture.